Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for the ultimate way to protect your Honda CRV, then you have to check out these mats from JOULARISE. We have these specifically installed in a 2024 Honda CRV, but it covers a wide range of years, so just make sure that it fits your specific vehicle. What I really love about these mats is just the protection that it provides all throughout the vehicle. I personally appreciate the cargo area because that seems to get the messiest. With these mats, it covers not only the main cargo space, but the seats as well. And it doesn't matter if we have the seats up or down or split, the cargo mats easily adjust and keep the area protected. These are made of a TPE material, and when they come, they are naturally bent up from shipping. So all I had to do was put them out in the sun for just an hour or so, and those little wrinkles just went away. They were so easy to install. It literally was done in just a matter of minutes, and they fit perfectly like a glove inside the vehicle. Each mat from the front of the vehicle to the back of the cargo space fit that specific area perfectly. The raised edges went along with the contour of the vehicle, and it provided nice extra protection on the carpet. These are a beautiful all-weather mat that are super easy to clean. Whether cleaning up liquid spills, debris, sweeping, anything, they clean up so easily and look like new right again. If you're looking for a full coverage, high quality mat set for your CRV, I would definitely check out this one. But that's just our point of view.